Hey everyone, I just got my brand new ClayShare hat and the new ClayShare hoodie from Josie at Basket of Stitches, and she is on the ClayShare Market, so that's claysharemarket.com, and you can go to her shop, Basket of Stitches, and she has the official ClayShare logo hats and the hoodies. So this one that I'm wearing right now is the zip up one, and there's a pullover one too. And I'm just gonna say that I am really petite. I'm only 5'2", so on me it's a little long. Look, it goes a little long, but if you like a long hoodie, then this might be just what you want. Now this is a small, so I would probably size up to a medium if you want it to be a little looser, or go large. The hat though is killing it. Look at this, it's my little toque. I love the pom-pom, super cute. Now, where you are might not be cool enough for hats. I'm in Vermont, and we are about 63 right now. So right this minute, I don't necessarily need my hat, but this morning it was 42. I needed a hat. So for me in the mornings, perfect. Plus it's got the new ClayShare vase logo and text and everything. And of course we still have the vintage ClayShare design, and Josie sent Kevin a really great pullover, and I tried to convince him to get on the video with me, but no, he won't. So I just wanted to share this with you all. So this is a hoodie. It does have a hood in the back. The drawstrings, what I do is, because, I'm just gonna show you. It has the strings here, which are great if you're gonna have the hood up, but when I have the hood down, this is what I do with my strings, because people are always like, what do you do with your drawstrings? I know that's a weird thing, but I actually get asked that. I always tuck my strings in, especially if I'm gonna be working in the studio and I don't wanna have the strings dangling down. And then you can still zip it up all the way and just have your strings folded in. Now, what I love is I'm wearing this hoodie with a flannel, you can see, cuffed up under it. So I have this big bulky flannel shirt under this hoodie, and it's still really slimming and fits really well. The other thing I liked about the length is the fact that, look, I can wear this with leggings. I can go out in public in leggings because, you know, it covers long enough in the back and the front, because I'm one of those girls that I'm not gonna wear leggings out in public unless my shirt is covering everything. That's just how I am, just the way I roll. But anyhow, I really wanted to share the hat logo and the shirt, ClayShare. And so this right here is the logo with white, and I love it with white. So I just had to say. I know we've been sharing it around in the black lettering, but I love the white lettering, especially on the dark. So anyhow, I will put this up, and when you're watching this video, these will be available on ClayShare Market. So if you're watching this right now, you can get these right now. So I just wanted to share with all of you the fabulous new ClayShare merch that's available on claysharemarket.com.